Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm back at the reservoir. I'm with Luca, and today we're gonna try to catch some carp and some bass. I got a whopper plopper and a carp rig set up, and we'll see what we can catch. I just caught this first fish. Guys, I just caught my first yellow bullhead, but my phone was overheated so I couldn't take any pictures. But I caught it using a trout slayer hook and just some shrimp. Guess what? Guys, just caught this another bullhead. So cute. Double up, baby! Bro, these bluegill keep swallowing my hooks. Just caught this baby crop. Just found this dead turtle. Alright, guys, well that was it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Peace.